Let's add a countdown timer on BigCommerce. Countdown timers add urgency to sales and events. Use one timer for everyone or personalize it per customer. Let's create the first type. Open the BigCommerce app marketplace and install Sales Blast to create timers for free. In the app, click Create Timer. Name your countdown bar. We'll show it on all pages using start to finish mode, but you can target specific pages or use personalized timers. Let's link the timer to a page so customers can click through to a sale, collection, or terms page. Now open the Content tab. Enter the bar text to highlight your offer, event, or sale, and choose which time units to display. In the Appearance tab, set the timer position, choose an animation, set the text alignment, customize each text element, color, size, and styling. You can also add a background image to make your countdown match your campaign design. Then adjust the colors of the other countdown elements to help your bar fit your store design and stand out to shoppers. Preview the result, then save the timer. Your countdown bar is now live and will help encourage customers to place orders before the offer ends. Install the Sales Blast app for BigCommerce and start growing your sales with countdown timer bars.